So what exactly are you going to learn in this course? Well, in this course, you will learn how to create a complete chatbot web application using Python. Specifically, I'm going to be using the Chatbot module in order to create that awesome chatbot using Python programming language. And probably the most powerful programming language because it's capable of doing pretty much anything. It's super powerful and it can do pretty much anything you can think of. And I'll also be using Flask in this course to create that web application. So Flask is a web development framework and it's based on Python. So it uses Python programming language to help you create a web application, and it's going to save you a lot of time because it will help you create a complete web application quickly without the need of creating a long code, because it takes care of a lot of things. So by the end of this course, you should have a complete chatbot web application that is capable of interacting with the user and responding to user messages. And I'll also teach you some techniques that will help you create a chatbot web application that is specialized in doing something. So you will not just create a general web application. Instead, you will be able to create a web application that is specialized in doing something. For example, I'll teach you how to create a weather chatbot web application, which is going to get the weather forecast to the user and provide it to the user. So this course is very important because chatbots are awesome and will help you if you incorporate them in your website or in your business to help your customers.